Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, I've got a bit of an upgrade here. It's a fuel regulator for a Triumph Stag. So this is what I've just bought, guys. Let's have a look, see what's in the box. This is the first time opening it. Well, I guess that's a sticker. So there's the fuel pressure regulator. That's a glass bowl. I just wondering where the best place to put it is, because I don't want it anywhere near the heat. And then in this box, I guess this is the pressure gauge. I guess that fits on there, look at that. So yeah, one of these. So let's go at the Triumph Stag and see where best place to put it. Right guys, where's the best place to put this? Got it go there. I don't know where the best place to put this is. Maybe there, where that's a bit close to the exhaust manifold, so with the heat that rises. Where am I going to put this? I knew I'd have this problem. What about there? I'm thinking about here, guys. This area, I think that would be perfect. Yeah, I'm thinking about this area here. Right guys, I've put it there. See, I'm just gonna put the final bolt in there. So yeah, I'll be able to read the pressure there, and I think, yeah, that's not a bad place. It's away from the exhaust manifolds. Obviously I'll get that stupid thing back in there. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Let's tighten that up. Right guys, I'll be able to keep this filter as well. What I'm thinking of doing is taking this one off here, the main feed, bring it round here, through here, and then onto here. and then I'll make another petrol pipe up to come along here, down and up and onto there. Right, let's see if that's going to work. Right guys, I'm going to take this air filter off, housing off. It's a bit windy today, so to the T-piece. It was just a little bit short this to reach that, can you see? Where I want it. But not to matter. That just needs to pull off there, I think. Let's do it the easy way. Right, so this is the one we want off. Right, we've got that one going in there. We just need the in pipe from here. Right guys, we've got it coming from here. Going into there and then out of here. Fuel's gone in guys, and it's reading about 3 bar, which is about right. So the thing's going to start now. That's what I like about this car, just give it a little bit of choke. 2 pumps on the old plumper. And she's away beautifully. I think that's enough pressure now. Under 3 bar. Let's see how it goes at that. It's on the choke at the moment. That's a new fuel pressure regulator fitted, so I'm going to let you know how it goes. On that note, seat above it all.